got some nice new NGK plug caps. Looks like they're testing around 5 ohms. So we'll pop these on here and hopefully it will help. That's better at an idle than Alright, so I picked up this cheap eBay coil just to rule out my OEM coil. So I'm going to pop this coil on here temporarily and then take it for a spin and see what it does. Alright, so new coil didn't get it. Really kind of out of ideas, so I went and picked up one of these compression testers. Thanks to South Texas Banshee for the how-to on how to do that. So I'm going to check this left cylinder, see what kind of compression it's getting. 150 psi. And we're just shy of 150 on the right cylinder. Well, we'll see if that's my problem. I forgot that I had taken that down a click over the winter, so it's run a little fatter. And then when it warmed up, I forgot to change it back. I put smaller main jets on, but I forgot to adjust that needle. So if this is it, I'm going to feel really stupid, but at least I will have learned something. So anyway, let's pop this in here, and now it's effing raining, so I can't really go for a ride. So anyway, we'll change these needles, and hopefully that's my issue. I just got back off of a test ride, and I feel like a complete idiot, but the miss is gone. So just moving the needles back up to the middle position straightened it out. We're going to take it for a spin now and see how it runs. that fun?
That's fun.
That's fun. So basically, I'm kind of an idiot. I changed the needle back to the middle setting, rode it on a really cool night, so it was running leaner. It ran fine when it was leaner. The next weekend it was 9 degrees again, the mist was back, 2 and 2 together, it's still running too fat, so moved it another click leaner, and now it's running much better. So anyway, mystery solved. Unfortunately it was a hard lesson to learn, but in the end, you know, it's worth it if you learn something. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time. Please subscribe. Mason, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye.